Hey guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a review for you of the Meet One Breeze folding trike. I wanted to give you a few of the highlights before we get into the nuts and bolts, pun intended. This has a low step through frame with a reclining seat and reverse function. That is crazy. Friendly design for seniors and people with limited mobility, so this kind of opens up the world for everybody. And there is a comfortable seat, which I truly appreciate. Some of the specs is a 22 mile per hour max speed. It's a 1200 watt peak power. The battery is a 20 AH or 960 watt hour. There is a smooth torque sensor. Like I said, the reverse mode and a stable differential. This bike kind of packs it all. And you have storage. It holds your drinks. You can put your groceries in here. I really think this is a great alternative for folks of my age group who want to stay outside and mobile but don't necessarily want a two-wheeled bike. If you see on the back side there is some tip wheel protectors just in case you get a little crazy and you want to pull some wheelies. That does help you so that you will not fall backwards. There are some upgrades that are available. Upgraded seat with side handles or side armrest to keep you on the seat if that is a concern for you. But I will say I love it and I hope you do too. So check out the description box below for a link to this awesome trike and continue watching to see her in action. All right, guys. This is what the box looks like when it comes, and I gotta build it. So we need to get to work. All right, here we go. We're gonna take a tour of the Meet One trike. I love it. First and foremost, let's look at the big fat tires. They make for easy riding, smoother riding, but they do have some grip on them, which is nice. We're not going off-roading, but that's fine. We do have disc brakes, which is fantastic. Obviously, the front basket, this is my most favorite part. It can hold a beverage, but there's also room in here for things. There's a bottom, so if you want to put a lunch or a snack or medication or something. She does collapse, so folds in on herself. The seat all comes down. Up here we have our side mirrors, which are going to take some adjusting. We have our 4-prong here, so you can adjust your handlebars forward and back, whatever fits you the best. We have our Shimano gear system. It is a 7-speed. Use a little button there, forward and backward. You have your throttle, a nice hand grip, and brakes. There are, or is, I should say, your little display here. So you have your gears, third, first, or 0, you're just pedaling. Your pedal assist 1, pedal assist 2, pedal assist 3 will go up to 15, 16 miles an hour. I'm even going to show you that she goes backwards. And your battery monitor. Over here, you have your other brake. So there is 3 brakes. And you have a brake, parking brake right here. You squeeze in your brake, lock that in place, and now she's locked. You have your 2 chains, one that works your pedal and your wheels, and one chunker. I think that's a motorcycle chain that runs your battery or your engine, if you will. So we got that. Again, with the big old wheels, these are 80/40s, I believe. They're big. 1840s, sorry. 18 4.0 size tires. Disc brakes again. Oh, I should probably have taken that off. Yeah, that was from packaging. On the back, we have some safety features here. Those wheels are wheelie protectors. So if you do take off super fast or on a hill, you're not going to flip over backwards. Look at this basket for groceries, for hauling things, all the stuff. You have your seat here. It is adjustable completely. It will slide forward and backwards so you can get closer to the seat or further away. This also adjusts forward and backwards, this piece of the seat. So you're fully customizable to your fit on this bike. Obviously your seat goes up and down. And then she rides more like a recumbent bike in the sense that your feet are ahead of your butt and you're sitting at sort of an angle for more comfort. There is another seat that you can purchase separately. That seat sits more like a wheelchair seat. Back here again, we have your mud guards. They are metal, or fenders, if you will. Completely metal and reinforced. You have your reflectors here and a light. That light is going to be on when the bike is on. This battery here, I believe, will go up to 40 miles. You can add a second battery. This will scooch over. You can buy a second battery and go double your distance. And there's a lot of personalization you can do right there. Here is how you adjust your handlebars. Up and down. Now I'm going to get on her and I'm going to take you for a little more of a ride. Guys, we're riding. We're out here riding on a trail. Let me get a better view for you. Here we go. That's my rear view mirror. We're gonna go get some coffee and take a spin on our Meet One Trike. Right now we are crossing the street. I have her in gear 2. So in gear 2, nope, I lied, I got her in gear 3. The fastest we can go in gear 3 is like 15 miles an hour. Now I'm safe, I'm on a trail, and I'm out living my best life. And we're headed to Scooters because we need some coffee. Can I have a large unsweet iced tea, extra ice? Yeah. Is it legal for me to come through here on my bike?
I mean,
probably frowned upon.
It's just not very safe. Yeah, I would just not.
That was my thought, but then I was like, well, there's nobody here, so I'm just gonna sneak in.
Yeah, it's also just the bikes don't
make the
ding the sensor.
Yeah.
So we weren't notified that you.
That's okay. I was reading the menu.
And then, did you want black tea or green tea?
Black tea. No sweetener.
Did you get a medium?
A large.
Large
I got my drink and it fits. This is amazing. That fits perfect. I need a drink.